What is up, everybody? We are back for another one. So today we are going to be going back over to Nate's. He's got a lift that he wants to put up, and we're going to see if we can get it up today. And that would intend put my car on it, so it will make it easier for the swap. But yeah, so I'm actually in my house today. I just recently purchased a home. I've tossed around the idea of doing a walk around video of it. If you guys would like to see that, just leave a comment down below. Who knows, I might do one. But also today, we are going to be checking out what motor is going in the car. So if you want to see that, make sure you stick around to the end of the video, because that's when we'll be getting to that. But for starters, let's get on over to Nate's and get started on this lift. So I'll see you guys there.
What's up, baby? Okay, so thoughts. Should this be on this side so that it doesn't take away from the spacing between the wall? Or what? Just so we're all clear, I'm it. I got no idea.
I would say this over here.
Well, what's the front of it?
Huh?
What's the front? What's the back?
Yeah, you would have to be over here.
No.
I mean,
The longer one's the back one.
this doesn't matter, we can change it.
I personally would have this over here because I need to work on it.
Well, let's just change the arm.
That's what I'm saying. I think if we just change the arms around, go like this, I think it would be the same. It's not like it's a very complicated piece of machinery.
The way it's set, well, we got like action cars in.
That sucks. I hate that. Yeah, well, supposedly his bike weighs 30 pounds more. 30 pounds.
Okay.
That's a lot. 30 pounds is a lot of bike. That's like, you have a really skinny midget girlfriend and she rides with you everywhere. That's what that's like.
It's like
Okay, so, did you see the little concrete pad I made? Does it rain?
I was here right after you poured it.
Oh yeah.
I was at work and
I
had
think we can recover this.
So we got it.
Keep the rain off of it because it rained right after I made it. I made these. Yay. It was a
How you feel?
It's okay. I'm happy that it's I should just do this whole yard.
You know, I was thinking about that today. Actually, doing how you do in the skid pad, open this up and have a hole didn't have a road course back here.
I wonder how much it would cost.
You have so much fucking room back here, dude. You could go that way, Big Sleeper.
To do what?
Recycle driveway. I bet we could do it for $2,000. You already have the gravel. Like, you have to have gravel down first, but recycled driveway is fucking cheap. They basically take the old shit that they have to get rid of. They charge you for the labor. They fucking break it all down, basically gravel again, and mix tar back in, and then they fucking spread it. And it's hella cheap in comparison to paving.
Huh.
It doesn't last nearly as long, but dude, we're just fucking sliding on it.
Yeah, I mean, we could just do a layer every year. We'd end up with my yard would be raised.
I would bet you could do your front pad up there for less than $2,000. And if we did all this, like brought in like around the tree and back up, dude, that'd be dope.
I'd probably come here, and maybe
Nah, I would have it. Well,
I wouldn't turn it all into a racetrack. Like, you know, I still want.
sweeper it around the tree, come back here.
no, I would have it go out around the tree, come back in to a little hairpin here, and come back around and back out, like a long sleeper kind of, if possible. Maybe cut it inside the tree.
Get the fucking law over here. Like the first day it was dry. Like, the cops were like, "What are you doing?" And we'd be like, "We built a racetrack, dude. Do you want to drive on it?" He would be like, "Yeah."
So thoughts? Racetrack? Maybe? Who knows?
What's he thinking?
Racetrack?
We need to make a racetrack.
I'm thinking racetrack. I'm glad that subject came up. Because I was thinking about that on the way home today.
Hell of a mortgage.
Okay. Do we want to try and use the dolly, or do we think we're gonna kill it somebody?
Nah, we can do it.
Use the dolly or not use the dolly?
We can do it.
Dude,
Just
for the
muscle it?
fucking air compressor? Oh.
That's all.
Slide that fucker in.
I think.
Yeah, this is a lot of stuff. Why don't you walk it?
Yeah. Well, that's what we were doing. Let's take our help. Right. See where that tape is? I think
Right there.
you don't think so? That way you could get a car in here, have a car on the lift, up in the air, and a car under it?
Not gonna have any room up front.
What do you mean?
Like the nose of the car is gonna be.
Pull the motor out?
Yeah, like the nose of the car.
You would at least want like 8 feet in front
How do you
of
pull? Yeah.
the car, if not more.
Okay, so what? So like, well, it at least needs to come past the door, right? Johnny is big smart. I'd rather have broke legs than be dead, I guess. Dude, speaking of which, the lube place next to us that does oil changes, I guess they had a barrel of brake parts cleaner explode in their pit area, and it gave some kid fucking 3rd-degree burns all over his body. Yeah, the owner came over and was talking to us, and like, you know when someone is stressed, and then you know when someone thinks that they're going to prison for a long time, that type of stress. You know what I'm talking about? You can really see it. They're like this, asking a random person for advice and shit. It could have been the kid's fault. I don't know, but the owner was stressed the fuck out.
Even so.
Yeah. I mean, who knows how they're being kept? It probably is supposed to be strapped, and it's an oil place, so I doubt it. And you know.
Toasty boy.
Yeah, it's. Oh shit.
All right. So how are we gonna play this? You want to spin it around or what?
Well, yeah, so when we slide it, we're not tripping over it.
Or here, you make sure it doesn't fall on us. Don't get hold of this. Right here.
Oh wow. Okay.
Not from here. Here you go.
Yeah, it's.
Pull the next down, Dawson.
Alright, so,
After that.
concrete?
Open this one and go all the way back. Yeah.
That's what you. Where we going? Just farther that way.
Ready? 1, 2. What are you trying to do? Go back?
Nate.
Yeah.
Nate, use your foot right here and push.
Why don't you push it here? Pull the car go in there?
Yeah.
So the door's that wide for a reason. The road needs to be about 8 feet between them.
The door's that wide to fit an RV in.
Yeah, that's not
Right. So you need at least 8 feet between them.
I wouldn't want that bit
The thing that tells you how wide it needs to be.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
That's another way of saying it. You're fucking retarded.
I mean,
It's actually kind of flimsy.
I think it's just supposed to create so it doesn't go like this.
It just keeps
Well,
them from
yeah.
falling like away from each other.
Is it gonna fall like that?
No, that's what it was, but it's definitely heavier this side.
I can put it back. I just was trying to.
This is the way we're sitting over there forever.
Yeah, but it's literally picking up. I can feel it. Oh, I'll put it back. Sorry. I thought it would be about that balance that way.
what up, what up? So we got this lift up. Not quite done with it, but we got it in place, technically. See, it's in place. We gotta get the top part up, and bolted in and everything, but we gotta get it bolted to the floor also. But first he's got someone coming in to do the wiring on it and get everything ran to it so it can work. But that's not gonna happen today. That's gonna happen tomorrow, I think. I won't be here, but yeah, so I guess that brings us down. Well, I'll show you guys.
Got it all up and ready to go. So
Lift will be cool. But yeah, let's get to the reveal. So, I had a couple options with this. This motor, I think, is the right choice. I love 1J, and I know a lot of people. Sorry, Donnie's leaving, but yeah, 1J is always my go-to, but that's not what I wanted. I had the opportunity to do it for the same price, the same exact swap, everything. Just, I'd never seen the motor run, so I was kind of iffy, but I think this swap is perfect. So I hope you like it. I hope you're gonna enjoy it, but here you go. Enjoy this little footage of the reveal. secrets out. I am going RB25 DET. So this car is going to stay Nissan. But okay, so a little backstory. This motor came out of my buddy Wes's car. He has a S13 hatch with a pig nose, and he ran this motor in his car all last season. Beat the living dog shit out of it, and it just takes it. For the most part, it is just factory everything. But it's got a Nistune ECU, so it makes about 450-ish wheel. So that's 200 more horsepower than what I have now, give or take. So that's gonna be pretty rowdy. Me personally, I don't care to push a bunch of power, but yeah, man, I'm excited. This motor's gonna be pretty rowdy. So in the next video, we're gonna start killing all the fluid, taking it all out, and getting the motor out so that I can sell it to help fund the build. But yeah, that's it. And I hope you're just as excited as me. I can't wait to have this motor in here and hearing all the turbo noises that's gonna happen with it. It's gonna be one hell of a car. I've got some other stuff planned for it, just like style-wise. But yeah, so I'm excited. I can't wait. We'll get all this done. Yeah, so peace out, guys. I appreciate it. See you in the next one.
A little strong enough.